Okay, so before we start the video, I would actually like to show you guys what it looks like when how I knew that I should check one time I was going down the road and I hit it and it started going at that speed. Now my normal speed is that. So when I hit this end, it's going like 2 times as fast, you know, double time or whatever. And the back one works. The back one on the right side works, but not the left one. So that gave me an indication to check it, you know. So if this starts popping up on your car, just check it, okay? Start off simply unscrew this. So I put in a new one now. You can see, and it's basically really simple. Picking up cheap at AutoZone. Put it on the bag like that. That's basically it. Here's the old bulb. How it looked. And now we're gonna go back in the car and we're gonna see the difference in the way it sounds, the clicking noise it does when you put on your turn signal. Now, if you guys remember, at the beginning of the video I showed how fast it was when I turned on the right hand signal, the turn signal. We're gonna see how it is now. Tell it's basically the same speed, tempo, whatever you want to call it, as this one, which in the beginning of the video was almost twice as fast as this one, basically the double time. So I know this tutorial is way basic, but I hope that this helps at least someone. And if you thought this was somewhat hard, now you see how easy it really is. So go ahead and try it and don't pay for someone else to do it. Have a good day. God bless.